How to remove underline in your PDF from Adobe Acrobat. Ever get stuck with underlines in your PDFs that you can just seem to get rid of? Annoying, right? Well, don't worry. It's simpler than you might think in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get those lines out there. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Got it open? Great. So you can see my underline right over here. So what you can do is simply select this one. Now you can see several options over here. So what you have to do is simply tap on this edit PDF right over here. Tap on it. However, this feature is only available to the premium version user, and I'm using a free trial out over here. So I'll be explaining you the rest process. Now when you tap on edit a PDF, your Acrobat will change to the edit mode. You will see a blue box is appearing around the text and the images. That's how you know you are ready to make the changes. To remove the underline, simply click on the underline text. Then you will see text box select around the underlined words. Once selected, look over at the right hand pane again. You should see formatting option. See the underline icon. It usually look like U with the line under it. Is it highlighted? If it is, just click on the underline icon to deselect it. And bam, underline gone. Easy peasy, right? You can do this for underline text in your document. Just click it and underline. Once you are done removing all the pesky underlines, remember to save your PDF. Go to the file and then go to the save or save as. Or the simple process what you can do is simply tap on this save icon right over here and save to the computer. And that's it. You have successfully removed underline from your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Now you can get back to having a perfectly clean looking document. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful and what other Adobe Acrobat tricks you want to learn. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.